There's a because now your GPS is not working for some error, you need to upgrade. How to upgrade? First, you need to connect this GPS and power on this system. You can connect this GPS well and connect it to my unit and power on this system. This is the first step. Second step, you need to make sure this GPS working status means GPS blue LED light flash slowly. So you need to make sure it is online status. Blink this LED, blink slowly. Then we can try to upgrade, because if this blue LED light flash fast, you cannot upgrade successfully. So when this blue LED light flashes slowly, we can start to upgrade. How to upgrade? We edit this message and send to this inside SM card number. When now it blinks slowly. We need to wait about 20 seconds. We will receive this message, and wait about 3 minutes. We will get another message. This message. When we get both this message and this message, means we have upgraded GPS. So now you can check. Yes, we send this message to this GPS mode inside SM card. Then we wait. 这是什么？
这个信息发到这个卡里面。
我说了。Then we wait about 20 seconds to receive first message. Yes, we receive first message, and you need to make sure this blue LED light blinks slowly. Then we wait about 3 minutes. We will get another message.
说的时间太长了，你连说加等的话要都5分钟左右。说的时间太长了。
等就等，看有比。
你可以暂停啊，可以能暂停。
咋暂停？你开玩笑。
那这其他的拍照都可以暂停啊。
这还有没申请成功了？因为他没等那么久。这个不能停的，这个拍的好像算有点地方不画。
对啊，现在是属于升级状态。
Because you can see this blue LED light keeps on. It means this GPS is in upgrading. Then we need to wait a moment. Yes, now this GPS start. Blue LED light start to flash fast.
等它重启的时候，它会发这个信息的话就 OK 了。
Okay, good. You can see we have received this message. Means now this GPS has upgraded successfully. And you check this blue LED light will start to blink slowly. It means it is good working status. You can use it now. Thank you.